You want to be in the video? Say hello. Good boy. Hi everyone. So I just got in from work and it is raining like a lot outside. So my hair's pretty frizzy and gross and my makeup's probably melted off my face. But I am going to be unboxing some boots for you all. I ordered some boots from jeffreycampbell.com. This is the first time that I've actually ordered anything off the Jeffrey Campbell website. I have got other Jeffrey Campbell shoes, but I have purchased them off secondhand websites like Poshmark and Depop. So this is the first time I am purchasing a brand new pair of Jeffrey Campbell's. So I ordered them last week and they were pretty expensive. I had my eye on them for a while, so I was like, you know what? We're gonna go for it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here we have the box. I did actually take them out of the original cardboard shipping box just because it was a lot bigger and I had to carry this home from work on the train, and it would have been really inconvenient to have to carry a really big box. So I took them out of that box and this is the box they were in. So it has this really nice pattern. It's a really nice box, and it has an elastic band around it to hold it together, and it's got the Jeffrey Campbell website on the side. We're gonna open them. I'm so excited. Seriously, like, this is probably one of my most expensive purchases ever on clothing and shoes. So I should probably show you guys what I'm doing. So let's take off the lid. Inside there is this. These will look great on you. It's like a little postcard. I think it's always nice when brands include like a little promotional material, I guess. And then it has my order sheet, and these are the Keely F boots, black and white cow, and they are a US 9, which I think is about a 6.5 UK or a 7, I'm not really sure. So the price of the actual boots was $220, and then the tax was $19.53. So the total altogether was $239.53. Seriously can't believe I've just paid that much money for one single pair of boots. And like, considering I am a hardcore thrifter, I literally know I can get boots for like less than $10 in the local thrift store. What is wrong with me? Are you okay, hun? Anyway, let's get to the actual point of this video, which is unboxing the actual boots that I bought. So as I was saying, these are Keely F, that's the model name, and they are these cow print chunky heel boots, which I'll put here. So here we go. They come in like a little bag, I guess, like this. I just took the top off, and some tissue paper. This is how they are wrapped in the box, and this is how the box looks from the inside. Just the regular tissue paper and whatnot. So yeah, come here. You want to say hi again? Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Oh dear, he actually said hello then a little bit anyways. Alright then, so let's get into it. I'm so excited. Oh.
I know I took the top off, but I'm going to read the description on the website. So it says, mid-calf chunky heeled boot. They fit true to size, and the measurements are taken from a size 7. I've got a size 9. So the heel is 3.5 inches and the platform is 1 inch. The shaft is 12 inches.
Sorry, I'm really immature.
And the leg opening is 13 inches.
A leather upper, calf hair, and a leather lining with a synthetic sole and a zipper closure. And here we have the boot. Oh my god. They're amazing. I love how chunky they are, and they feel really sturdy too. So yeah, this is the side profile of the boot, and this is the other side. The stitching looks really good, really neat. The overall colour is slightly, I want to say it's like slightly more You know what I've just noticed? They don't actually look the same as the picture. Am I like bugging or something? Like, this is the picture. There's way more like blobs on the actual boot than there is on the picture. Okay, I mean, I love them, I still love them, but they are not like what they look like on the picture at all. And also the hair has a slightly like cream tone to it, as opposed to on the website it looks more like white, like a true white. This is definitely more yellowy cream. I don't know if you guys can see this, probably not because of the lighting, but it is a lot more cream than I thought it would be. Let's get the other one out. Wow, I mean, let's see the other one. Hopefully they match. This is the other one. So I guess they went for a smaller scale in production, because I'm guessing they shot the sample. I don't know. This looks completely different. I still like them, but I feel like they do look a bit more like Dalmatian than cow. They look pretty well made. There is a little bit of glue like on the sole just there, but they are pretty well made, to be honest, so that's good. Are they worth $239? They don't even look like the picture. Try them on, I guess, so we can see if they fit. So now all the stuffing is out. It's the moment of truth. Here we go, guys. Oh, okay. I think they fit. Yeah, they fit. Actually, they are a good fit. Let's try the other one on. Stuffing everywhere. All right. They are pretty generous with the width around the calf as well. They're not like too tight to my calf, so if you do have a bigger calf, I'm pretty sure they'll fit you. And they have like a bit of elastic too, which is good. So now I'm gonna have a little walk in them. So I've just gone for a little walk in them and had a look in my mirror, and I do actually really love them, I have to say. They are a bit clunky, as in like when you're walking they're a bit like clunk clunk clunk, like they make a bit of a clunky noise, if you know what I mean, because they have got a big fat heel on the back, so it kind of is expected, and they are a good weight as well. So yeah, I mean, at least they're sturdy and they're not gonna like, the heel's not gonna bend on them. They are a square toe, and actually they're really quite wide. If you have a wide foot, I think they'll fit you pretty well. Overall, I do really like these boots. They don't look the same as the picture, but I do really like them. I'm gonna take them off now. In a little conclusion for you guys, these are amazing. Are they worth $239? I'm not really sure if they're worth that much, despite them not looking like the picture. Actually, when I looked in the mirror, I really do like the look of them, so I will be keeping them. I can't wait to wear them and style them up and show you guys how I style them. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my review of these fantastic cow print boots from Jeffrey Campbell. If you did like it, then just leave me a comment and tell me what you liked, and I will see you guys here again very soon. Bye.